What mountain are we climbing?
So we're climbing Crestone Needle Traverse Route with our awesome guide here, Jared.
Uncle Darren, what's the objective for tomorrow?
Well, the goals that I set forth are to have good Christian fellowship.
Stay alive.
Yeah, that's always an assumed. Gain perspective in life by being out here, and to crush that wall.
So we're here, made it to camp. The objective of tomorrow is to climb Crestone Needle and do the traverse route. I'm gonna take you through a little vlog, showcase the weekend/day. Got Jordan here.
We're getting this crux wall done with.
We've been thinking about this for like years, and it's finally tomorrow, happening at 3 in the morning. So enjoy the vlog and
It's gonna be good.
enjoy the camping vibe.
So we got some chicken teriyaki for dinner tonight. Yep. So we got some good stuff in here. We got some white rice and chicken. I just like the teriyaki flavor up in the mountains.
All right, so the meal for this trip, lasagna with meat sauce.
Okay, first of all, there's a Ziploc
Yeah, I know. I've got lasagna, he's got chicken teriyaki.
Got chicken teriyaki.
The thing is, like, just hot water up here tastes so good.
Yeah, it tastes so good.
7 out of 10.
Not done yet.
It's not done.
I didn't mix it around, that's why.
Year 2 of Jordan not cooking is
This
right.
is some, there's like hard rice in there.
Okay, so this will be our third 14er. Last year we tried to do the peak and the needle together, but a bunch of different factors, we weren't able to do it, so it's been haunting us for like a year now. So we're back, and we're just chilling out tonight, eating some food, and tomorrow at 3 in the morning, we're climbing Crestone Needle. We're doing the traverse route, which is a hard route, so
Yep.
we've been prepped for it, and ready to rock. It was a pain, but I brought the drone up, so I'm gonna go try to get some drone shots here. Let's go. All right, nighttime vibe in the mountain.
It is for sure a nighttime vibe.
We're waking up early tomorrow,
Yeah.
3 o'clock to be exact.
I'll probably sleep until like 3:30.
No, you won't. We're getting up at 3.
Class 5.2 move.
Nice. It's really fun.
What was your favorite part?
But you also have to go up.
I don't know.
400 feet
I was most
climb.
excited for the
It's not like a
knife edge.
steep or anything. We have to climb
But
400 feet to go back.
I think the crux wall was probably the best. Yeah. What did you think of the traverse after years of thinking about it?
A while.
It was a great reward
Send that
for a very hard hike.
It was tough.
A great conclusion for our
Is it
3
everything you dreamed?
summit. 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Fantastic.
Wash